drive test center. I will show you the G route. So may you park your car any of the spots. There's a spot number, and you know your car spot number, and go inside, park your car, and you know the car plate number, and check in on the kiosk, and then come back and sit in your car. Your examiner will come anytime, and then your test start. Okay, so turn right, safe both side spot, then you go. Okay, so turn right, make sure you check safe spot, and now turn left, check safe both sides. There is no stop sign, but you have to complete stop and check safe, and safe and go. So here, I mean, what happened? Sometimes they, I mean, send you left, and they check you. I mean, how you drive in the 50 zone or speed zone, 40 speed zone. So here is the speed limit is 50, and then they send you on the highway. Okay, so turn left on traffic lights. So technically you stay in the right lane, and when examiner tell you, then you change the lane left. Scan your mirrors every 10 seconds, drive safe. So Bronte, so there is a road dead end, and so there is no incoming traffic here, and then you turn left. Speed limit is 60, and then check safe, blind spot, and then go. So from left to you come automatically right. So now as the speed limit is changed, now it's 50 here. Okay, then examiner will tell you, okay, turn right any of the street. Okay, suppose so we turn right here. We check safe, blind spot. and right on stop sign. Okay, now turn left on traffic lights. So here is a single road and you stay here, and again the speed limit here is 50. And then switch back to right. Safe. So now we take QEW 403 Toronto. So right, signal right, check blind spot. Check blind spot safe, and then you maintain the speed. Again, this is a big ramp. Don't worry, just maintain your speed. Okay, change the lane left and back right when it is safe. Exit on third line. Then turn left on traffic lights. So turn left on third line. So you stay in the center lane. So that's good for you because you again go for the highway. So after left, then we again take QEW 403 Hamilton. So here is a safe speed on ramp. When you finish the ramp, then you maintain the speed and merge safely. Okay, make sure you merge on flow of the traffic speed. Okay, don't go slow because there's incoming traffic. Signal on and safe, then go into merge. Okay. So we should on in afternoon, so it's a little bit traffic. So when you change the lane left and back to right when it is safe. So make sure there's no traffic, safe, and then you go. Yeah, so when there's a traffic, you have no option. So just on the safe and try to maintain your speed as much. And then check safe and switch the lane right. And now you exit on the Bronte Road. Check safe. So turn left on traffic lights. So you scan the traffic lights, check safe. And you go straight. Speed limit 60 here. So when safe, change the lane left. Turn left on traffic lights again. And you stay in the center and wait incoming traffic, and then safe and turn. Make sure you meantime you scan the traffic lights, because sometimes it's converted into amber lights. Then you turn on right time. Okay. So noise safe, check the blind spot safe. So here the speed limit is 50. Okay, so turn right in the plaza and check safe, blind spot. So turn right this time. And then you park left side. Yeah, so that's it. Good luck, drive safe. Hello friends, if you want to learn safe driving and pass your road test, join Pb2ca Driving School. I try my best to teach you as per the MTO standard, then you pass your road test and save your time and money. For the route, it's just an idea. Examiner will change the route anytime. Don't stay on the just route. Go with the good practice, join professional driving instructor and school, then you pass your road test and enjoy the driving. Drive safe.